Hello everybody! Today I'm going to walk you through a simple, super cute hairstyle for toddlers with short curly hair. Be sure you watch my video all the way through to the end to see the silly little clips of my daughter Zara that had to be cut out for tutorial's sake. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Following spraying my daughter's hair with water or a detangler, here we're using water, I run through her hair all over with this detangling brush by Conair. Next, we're going in with just a bit of this tea tree oil. You do not want to be too heavy on the oils, and we're just going to take a small amount of this and run it all through Zara's curls. Once her hair is detangled, we begin with the parting. This hair headband uses a side part, but it can really be done with no part or a middle part and still be just as cute. Once her side part is done, we begin parting off a front section of her hair from the part all the way down to the ear. Once the front sections have been parted off on both sides, we pull the rest of the loose hair back out of the way just to keep things neat and easier for the rest of the hairstyle. Next, we're going to go in with 2 rubber bands and we section off little pieces of these front sections to rubber band into small ponytails. The amount of sections you use in the front really depends on the look you're going for and how much hair your child has. My daughter still has pretty thin hair down the sides of her head, so we're only using 3 different sections on her left front side. Because my daughter's hair is so fine at this section of her head, we are not too worried about the neatness of these front parts because they really are not going to be seen too much. Now, as you create new sections and new little ponytails, you're going to want to make sure that the hair from the first ponytail or the preceding ponytail feeds into the new ponytail, and that is what creates the headband look. Once all the sections have been ponytailed and fed into each other, we finish off this side by curling the little hair left out at the end. I've gone ahead and really sped this up for you because you are going to follow the same process going down the other side. Patience is really key when it comes to doing children's hair, especially hair for my daughter. She is very squirmy, as you can see, so I find it really helps if I let her actually safely play with the hair tools because then she feels included and like she's doing something important. And also in this video, I am feeding her because a fed baby is a happy baby. Now that the front sections are complete, the headband is done, it's looking cute. We're gonna go ahead and spray the hair that was in the ponytail out of the way in the back. And we're just gonna go ahead and freshen up those curls. You see a couple of the curls are being recurled, but really this is just about fluffing up the hair so it doesn't look like you just took out a stiff ponytail. Okay, my daughter has this thing for banging water onto the table and trying to sneak and lick it up because she knows I do not like it. But next, we're just going to go in with the baby hairs, and I do not use any product whatsoever on my daughter's baby hairs. They lay themselves really. This is just about brushing them down and making them neat, and if they get messed up, they get messed up, okay?
Bye.
Bye. Deleted scenes. Look at her, bro. Look at her go. Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Stop doing that. You're wasting the water.
Too cute.
Oh! Oh!
She's talking about oh. Every time I come home, she comes sit down again. Baby, we don't do that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, well, so this is my daughter Zara, and she is 18 months old. I am a single black mother, and I am a full-time college student. So we will be coming out with vlogs very soon. If you like her little personality, if you enjoyed the hair video, please feel free to give it a like, a comment. Please subscribe to our channel. Let me know what you did like about this video, what you didn't like about this video. I'm very new to YouTube. Clearly, this is my first post. So all feedback is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching to this length and for coming along with us, and we'll see you next time.